This is English Falls, an absolutely majestic place off the Blue Ridge Parkway, just a little south of Linville, North Carolina. In most of our videos, we show you places where you can easily go explore for yourself. English Falls is not one of those places. It's one of those places that relatively few people will ever see. Besides the fact that it's listed as closed on a lot of information sites, the trail is actually fairly difficult. The top half is short, steep, but no different than any other typical walk through the woods. It's when you get about halfway down where the trail forks and one part of it goes down through the rocks. When I got to that point, I turned the camera off, which was a good thing because I climbed down between the rocks and proceeded to slide down the hill to the rock area. Yeah, that was fun and painful. But hey, I didn't break anything, so that's what matters. I guess the people who know what they're doing bring ropes, but we didn't do our research, came completely unprepared, and yeah, there's no way in heck I was going to let that stop me, but I made it. Toward the end of the video, on our way back up, we'll take a better look at the rock wall you have to climb to get down to the waterfall and then back out. But for right now, we just make our way down beside the cliff to the falls area. And here it is. For the past 10 or 15 minutes of your hike, you've been questioning your choices in life, wondering what in the heck you're doing out here, and how the heck you're going to survive if you break your leg. But then, the forest opens up and reveals English Falls, and none of the cuts or the bruises matter anymore. This is, without question, one of my favorite waterfalls in the Smoky Mountains. The way the water splits into multiple falls and you'd see it bouncing from one ledge to the next. It's so brilliantly colored, the green, the moss, the trees, it is just spectacular. And the fact that so few people come here, it isn't spoiled by tourism. Those who make it are serious lovers of natural beauty. At this point, let's just take a minute, turn up the music, and enjoy. Okay, it's time for the hike back out. We go back up the face of the cliff to that rock wall area. Now when you get to this rock, and I'm intentionally just showing you this rock, it may only be, I don't know, 6 or 8 feet high, but you do have to climb this rock to get to the upper ledge, where you walk along the face of the cliff back to the hill with the loose slippery dirt, where it is easy to go for a slide. I know too well. Get past that and the trail takes you back up to the highway so you can make it back to your car. We hope that you've enjoyed seeing English Falls with us. We have some more interesting places that we'll be visiting soon: Gatlinburg, Cherokee, Pigeon Forge, and as well as some other waterfall hikes, zip lines, boating trips. We have a lot planned, so if you enjoy adventure, you know what to do. See you in the next video. Be well, everyone.